Hello, this video is about the production of soluble salts. In this case, we're going to be making iron sulfate. Now it's using the standard reaction, which is acid plus base makes salt plus water. And in this case, our acid is going to be the sulfur bit for our iron sulfate, that is sulfuric acid. And then our base is going to have the iron bit, so that's going to be iron oxide. So in the first step, we're taking iron oxide and dropping it in with sulfuric acid. Now, really importantly, you have to have an excess of your insoluble base, your iron oxide, so that you can be sure that all the sulfuric acid is used up. So we've got loads of iron oxide in there in step one, and you can imagine you add that in, you stir it. You'll notice if you're monitoring the equation, it'll increase in temperature because it's an exothermic reaction. And at some point, all the acid will be used up and you'll have some iron oxide left over. That's very important. That's how you know the reaction has properly finished, is no more is reacting. Iron sulfate's a bit green, so you can see it's green in our flask there at step two. So step two, the reaction stopped. Next step is you're going to filter that. So you start pouring that through filter paper and your unreacted iron oxide stays in the filter paper as a residue. And the filtrate is your soluble salt solution, iron sulfate. So you've got a nice clean green solution going through to your beaker. Final stage is to get rid of the water. So that's just a process of evaporation. You put heat under an evaporating dish or something similar and you drive off the water and you're left with a pure sample of a soluble salt, in our case iron sulfate, as the solid residue from the evaporation. That's it. Thanks for watching.